25, geçti.
Tuesday. Okay, who is absent? Okay, good. So today, students, we have unusual lesson. It is show lesson, open lesson, and the theme of our lesson is drilling. Before starting our lesson, I would like to say about the aims of the lesson. So today we are going to get introduced with drilling, also the components of drilling weeks, as well as drilling crew, yes, who help to conduct all drilling processes. And we have to consolidate our knowledge that was taken before. Okay? So to begin with, I would like to start with kickoff. You know what is kickoff? Yes, it is the beginning, like actualization of your knowledge. Yes? Some of situations are known by you, and some you may guess by our theme. Okay? So which part rotates and drills through rocks? It's drill bit. Okay. So what types of drill bit are differentiated?
3 types.
No, 2 types.
Diamond.
Yes, it's diamond and carbide. Yes. For what types of rocks can we use, for example, diamond bit? That's right. It's for hard rocks. Okay. Don't use coarse. Yes. So raise your hand and give the answer. Good. And that is why, on the contrary, carbide bit is used for what types of rocks? For soft. For soft rocks. Good. What is between the bit and the surface?
Pipes.
Pipes. Good. That's right. Next one. Where do the pipes stand before they go into the hole?
In pipe rack.
Completely right. It's pipe rack. Speak louder, okay, students? So, what tall thing supports the lifting equipment and the drill string? Any other students? It's derrick. That's right. Good of you. So, what does the rotary table do to drill the string? What activity? It rotates. And it rotates. So it rotates the Kelly. But what part of the equipment drives it? I mean, drives drilling rotary table rotate?
What? Engine.
Engine. Good of you. So which machine sends mud? You know what is mud?
Yes.
Substance for drilling. Do you know the composition of mud? What is it composed of? Nurwan.
To cooling the bits.
It is used. The main function is to cool the bit. And then what is it? Good. Good of you. And which machine? Yes, sends mud down to the bit. Which machine that sends it to the bit? Maybe. No. Mud? Not pit. Pump. What is the translation of the word pump? Muscle. Good. So what comes up to the surface with the mud? Substance. Maybe you don't know because it is new theme. Just do you have any predictions, any ideas? Schlam. Do you know the translation in English? Schlam. How do we translate it? Cutting. Students. Yes, cutting. You may write down that if you don't know, because we will use it during the lesson. And for deep wells, what is well? The derrick must be very strong. Why? What is the reason? Why derrick must be strong?
Because derrick support the whole system.
It supports. Whole system it supports? Lifting system. What are the systems? Unknown. Rotary system. Good of you. So, next is students' presentation. Yes, your home task was given before to prepare presentation. Now you can observe that you are sitting in 2 groups. Yes, you are divided into groups. It isn't like a game. but for convenient, yes, working in a group, and that is why you are divided into these groups, yes. So that is why two groups prepared presentations. Our theme, previous theme, was finding oil and gas. There is an interconnection, yes, drilling and finding oil and gas, because you know drilling. It refers to what part of section? Three main sections in oil industry. Not in chorus students, not chorus answers. Yes, so.
Upstream, midstream, and downstream.
So what does it include? I mean, what does upstream include?
Exploration and production.
Yes, it includes exploration and production. So, and while exploration, the last part, it is drilling, yes? To start drilling, we have to search for mineral resources. Yes, we have to search oil and gas, because drilling, what type of the process? Is it expensive or cheap?
Expensive.
Yes, it's expensive and it takes much money, yes, and time, of course. And before drilling, we have to check your knowledge on finding oil and gas, yes? And there are two parts, offshore and onshore. Okay, who will start? Okay, you're welcome. Was offshore, yes?
Hello there, students. Today we would like to know about offshore platforming oil industry. Do you know about more than 30% of world's oil come from the offshore platform? With you prepared by Taqырыбы and by So next slide, please.
We have structured our talks in around a simple plan. In our presentation, we will cover the following points like introduction, the main parts of the oil rig, and the types of platform, life and work, the advantages of the offshore challenge and the risks, the future of the offshore industry. Go to the next slide. In this slide, you can see the two types of offshore and the onshore drilling. We talk about the offshore. Offshore drilling is a challenge for the nature. The engineers have found it, and offshore is located around far from the shore and civilization. Next slide.
So next slide, you can see main parts of an oil rig. So first is fuel tanks. So what is fuel tanks? Fuel tanks is to store fuel, and the next is engine. Engine provides power of the oil rig. Generator is to produce energy for the drilling system. The next is derrick. Derrick is the equipment of oil rig and supports all of the equipment. The next is mud pit. Mud pit to store mud and water. So the next part is pipe run. Pipe run to moving this pipe to the oil rig. And the last one is pipe racks. Pipe racks to store pipes. So it was all of the main part of the oil rig. So next slide.
Okay. The work on the offshore isn't just a job; it's a lifestyle. Because the people spend the months or the weeks in this there. And the platform is supply everything for normal life. In the offshore rigs use the rotational system. The workers is work 12 hours per day in 14 days. If the workers have any damage, they can go to the sick bay. If damage is serious, they call the helicopter. Move to the next slide.
So pay attention to this slide. Advantage of offshore drilling. So there are two main advantages. First is increased economy. And the next is access to deep sea resources. It means that we all know that offshore is located in ocean, and the ocean or sea consists of porous rocks. So porous rocks and oil and gas accumulated this place. And it means that it gives opportunities for workers and drillers to extract oil easily and more efficiently. So the next slide.
Offshore is a very dangerous place. The engineers' oversight and the people's mistakes can take the life of the workers. But the engineers use all powers and to fight it. Next slide.
So future of the oil industry. Today all of the oil industry use a new technology. So in the future, this offshore platform use AI. It means that artificial intelligence. It means that use new technology, new equipment for the oil drilling. It gives opportunity for workers work easily and more safely. So the next slide, please. Okay, taking everything into consideration, working offshore is a big challenge for workers, and because it takes more strength, more focus, and work with a team, and to do this job more safely.
Okay, so thank you for giving us information about offshore platform. Yes, you know that it is very important to follow safety inductions, yes, so safety measures. And as you mentioned about artificial intelligence, it can be used to make the process safely,
Yes.
to work safely.
It also use computer. Yes.
Computer.
Yes, because data is often.
Okay, so thank you. Now, students, do you have any questions? Maybe feedback about this presentation? No questions, no feedback? Yes?
Yaroslav, thank you for your knowledgeable presentation. I can increase my knowledge about drilling system and the offshore oil platform. Thank you.
Okay, so anyone else? Samir?
Thank you for the presentation. It was very knowledgeable and informative presentation. I know about the whole drilling system on the offshore and boost my knowledge.
So thank you, students, for giving your feedback. Thank you for the presentation. You may take your place. Okay. The second part of finding oil and gas, it is onshore, yes? Because offshore is the first one, the second one is onshore.
Hello everyone, dear students and teachers. Today we will talk about onshore oil rig. And moving to the next slide, you can see our agenda. Our presentation divided into 7 parts: introduction, difference between oil rigs, main parts of an onshore oil rig, jobs on the rig, safety and decontamination, advantages and challenges, and the last one is conclusion.
At this slide you can see the onshore and offshore oil rigs. Today we will give information about onshore, as onshore uses uses process such as drilling and explosion process, and offshore uses drilling also. Also, the uses pipes to transport the oil and gas. At this slide you can see the systems such as this is a lift system. This is a rotary system. The lift system with the system responsible for a trip in and tripping out the drill pipes, and the main part is a derrick. A derrick to support a whole system, and the engines is to drive a whole system.
In this diagram you can see rotary system. Rotary system use turntable movement to rotate drill pipe, and the drill bit also rotates because of this. There you can see parts like hook attached to the swivel, and swivel in this case attached to the Kelly that rotates because of turntable.
I can see the jobs. The main job, one of the main jobs, is a geologist. The geologist is responsible for identify and explore the suppliers.
Suppliers.
The driller is responsible for the whole drilling process, and the roustabout is the person who help to the driller jobs such as work such as
Jobs.
training and cleaning.
You mean activities, yes?
There are also jobs like safety officer and engineer. Safety officer look for following all safety rules on the rig, and the engineer plans and control of all of job works. In this slide you can see safety rules and decontamination works. Safety rules conclude personal protective equipment. I mean that all workers on the rig must wear personal protective equipment like helmet, gloves, boots, glasses, respirator, and so on. There are also must be a fire safety system like fire extinguisher or emergency stop button, fire drill, and so on. Also, all of workers must go through safety tutorials and safety regulations.
Decontamination is a very important process to reduce hazards. Is a process to cleaning the drilling equipment or just equipment such as PPE. This slide.
At this slide you can see advantages and challenges of an offshore oil rig, and the advantages conclude these are price and lower cost than offshore rigs because of onshore oil rigs located on the land, and there are no ships or derricks and underwater pipes and so on. There are also simple logistics and transportation because onshore oil rigs use trucks and roads to transport oil and gas or useful minerals.
As the challenges, as the environmental risk, such as the pollution and the pollution of the ground and the air from the drilling process. As you know, the drilling process is very noise and dirty, and the most important challenge is oil resource is very lower than offshore under the sea. And in conclusion, the drilling process, the oil rig at the onshore is not better than offshore, but we must use the oil resource from the ground to reduce some hazards from offshore rigs, because the offshore rig the more hazardous.
Both of these rigs provide us energy resources and oil and gas, but we can remember that working environment is very dangerous. Because of this, we must follow all safety rules and the regulations.
Thank you, students, for your briefing presentation. Yes, in your presentation, you mentioned more about safety measures, safety induction. That is the first priority. Yes, as a production. And one more thing, I would like to mention that you use challenges instead of disadvantages. It is great. Yes, because everyone, each thing has advantages and disadvantages. Yes. But according to this slide, we see that advantages prevail. Yes? Okay. So now feedback from students, maybe questions.
Thank you for informative and written presentation. It was well structured, and you was right more explain the onshore rigs. I like your minimalistic design, but I recommend use more conversational phrase.
Okay, thank you. It's not for your feedback. So recommendations.
Thank you for your knowledge presentation. I really like your presentation design because you use a lot of picture and you showed one of the beautiful and informative information about onshore oil rig. Thank you.
Thanks for your knowledgeable and thrilling visual. You demonstrated not only offshore, it also use maintenance and the safety about the oil industry and also workers. I would like to know about your structure. Your structure supports all of the topic. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you. Could have you if you don't have any questions, we will go further. No questions? Okay. So the next part. So we are going to get introduced with some vocabulary, maybe which is unknown. Yes. So the first word you have to write is cutting. Yes, cutting that comes out to the surface with the mud. Because we are going to work with a new text, and there will be some words maybe which are unknown, or maybe you have forgotten them. Yes. So please pay attention to this derrick. And now, as you mentioned, there are some systems. Yes, lifting system, rotary system. Just revision. So lifting equipment, you remember what is it? It is no swivel. So what is it? Hook. That hangs. Yes, the drilling pipes. Okay, understandable. Drilling pipes. Yes, separately. So what is monkey board and what for? And who works on monkey board? It is a part of the not lifting system, part of the derrick. That is located where? What is the location? Yes, on the top. And how do we call the person who works on monkey board? Derrick hand. And what does he control? What does he monitor? One?
They control the lifting system and up and down, everything.
Tripping up and tripping in and tripping out of the pipes. Okay, so pipe rack, you remember what is pipe rack? On this side you see the translation, so you may pay attention because it is new vocabulary. Pipe rack. Yes, to store pipe. Good. So rotary table, drill string, there is drill bit as you mentioned before, yes? What is flow of mud? Flow.
Потом.
Потом, да? Okay. And mud? Буровой расчет, да? So mud 10, where it is stored, yes, I mean mud, where mud is stored, and mud screen, you don't know, yes, it's where, so you have to write down mud screen. Вибрационное сито. Сито. So it is used to separate mud from cutting. Вибрационное сито. It is used for separation, mud from cutting, yes? And then mud goes down to the mud 10 again. So you know that it is circulation, yes? Circulation system, and it goes from it, and then it goes down, and again it goes up, and then it sends to mud tank again. So mud pump. You know, mud pump, right. Motor is for giving the energy. And one more word is drill collar. Drill collar. Утяжеленная, да, а он брузлал творог. Утяжеленная труба. Okay, so everything is clear?
Yes.
No questions, yes, according to new vocabulary. If everything is clear, I would like to ask the question again. So what is mud? And what for is it used? What is mud? Yes, you have to give definition in English. It is substance.
Cooling.
For cooling. Или to cool. Yes, to cool. And clean the bead. And pipes. No, the bead. And yes. For treating out the cutting. Good. But what is the composition of mud? Can you guess? Do you know? If you don't know, we will read the text. It's like prediction. Yes. Chemicals, water, sand, clay. Completely right. Clay, glina, да? So you may open your books. Page 34, exercise 2. Before reading this text, I would like to give you some minutes to look through silent reading. So look through the text and try to complete the missing words, yes? So you may take these missing words from our vocabulary. 1 minute to look through, and then we will start reading. Start reading, and after that listening to check your ideas. Okay, so you will use this. Have you finished? Okay. Let's check.
Current mud is a mixture of water
Louder, speak up.
Fluid mud is a mixture of water, clay and other materials. Is a mud pump. At times mud from the mud pump into the top of the drill string.
Okay, stop. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. comes mud from the mud tank. So it comes from the mud tank. Go on reading. Who is the next?
The mud flows down inside the drill pipes into the bit. It cleans and cools the bit.
It cleans and cools the bit. Good of you. So the mud flows inside the drill string. Yes? Inside. Внутрь, да? Drill string to the bit. Direction to the bit. And what is the function of the bit? So repetition again. It cleans and cools. Drill mud. It cools and cleans the bit. Completely right. So who is the next? The one. Who is?
Then it goes up the hole and you carry it up easy.
Okay. Rock cutting. Rock cutting. What is rock cutting? Schlamp. So it takes, yes, it takes cutting to the surface. The next year, you please.
The mud and the cutting go to the
So logically, yes, it goes to the mud screen. Yes, mud screen. All together. Yes, cutting and mud go to the mud screen. Next one, Nurpil.
The mud screen separates cuts from the mud falls through to the mud tank.
Yes, it again, yes, sent to mud tank. Good. Anyone who wants to explain this process? Volunteers. So, what is drilling mud? So, when it starts, yes, when it goes, and when it sends again.
The mud.
Will you take the floor? It's attempt, yes, because it is new thing as you have understood, so you make explain.
The mud is a mixture of water, clay, and other materials, and the mud pump pumps the mud from the mud tank, and mud goes through the drill pipe and cleans and spools the drill bit.
Okay.
After that, the rock
cutting
go with the mat from
or
the
by means of drill string
drill string to mud screen.
Okay.
And in this part, the rock cutting separated.
From what?
From what? And go to
it goes to mud tank again. Yes, you're right. Good of you, Will. Volunteer. Who else from this group maybe? Aigos? Will you try? Aigos. Yermazar? Who is silent today? Arda? Samir? Be active, students.
The mud goes through with the help of the mud pump from the mud tank to the drill bit from the pipes, and the mud cools and cleans the drill bit, and after that the mud goes
up the rock cutting to the command screen to separate and use it again.
Yes, go back to math. Okay, thank you. Now to consolidate our knowledge, you will listen to this topic, then we will go further.
Unit 6. Kick-off. Drilling mud is a mixture of water, clay, and other materials. The mud pump pumps mud from the mud tank into the top of the drill string. The mud flows down inside the drill string to the bit. It cleans and cools the bit. Then it flows up the hole and carries rock cuttings up with it. The mud and cuttings go to the mud screen. The mud screen separates the cuttings from the mud. The mud flows through to the mud tank below.
Okay, so your home task will be to speak about process, yes? So you will revise it at home. So the next part is getting introduced with the drilling crew. You know that all these processes are conducted by people, yes? And there are the following jobs. You know the drilling crew, it is a team of people who work together for one purpose, yes? And what is the main purpose in drilling process? The purpose is to extract oil, yes, to extract oil. And who usually in the drilling crew? And there are some descriptions, yes, of and responsibilities of these people. So let's read. It's a scanning reading. So you have to read properly without translation. Try to memorize everything, yes. And if you have some keywords, you may just write down. Because after that you will do the task. Okay, Nazar, will you start? Расtabal.
How often the youngest people in a drilling crew, they clean, maintain and move equipment and help the other workers. Husband want better jobs, so they work hard, listen careful and learn fast.
Learn fast, listen carefully, yes? So what are the keywords of Rastabout? Keywords.
Youngest
people.
Clean, maintain, move equipment, and help.
It would be better not to give answer in words, okay? Just separately, please, students. Islam, will you repeat again? The keywords from this.
Youngest people in the drilling crew.
What else?
Clean, maintain, moving equipment and help.
Okay. And one more, they work hard. Yes, because it is hard work. Good. So, roughneck, Arda.
Roughneck like Rastabout, but the work of the drilling crew. They connect the heavy drill pipes and put into the hole. Or they disconnect the pipes as they come up of the hole.
Come up out of the hole. Okay, who knows what is drilling floor? Drilling floor.
Platform.
Буровая площадка. Okay. Keywords, Anda. Keywords.
Roughneck, but more skilled.
More skilled.
They work in drilling floor.
Yes. Connect and disconnect the pipes. Yes. Because Rastabout, they maintain, yes, and move equipment. But roughnecks, they are more skilled because they connect and disconnect the pipes. Good. Next one, Derrickman. Kiram, please. Derrickman.
Derrickman works is in higher of on the monkey board about 25 meters above the slope. He with the top part of the drill pipe. At other times, he helps the mud engineer. He checks the mud and maintains the pump. The mud must not be too thick or too thin, and the pump must keep working.
Okay, responsible, yes, work of dairyman and keywords. The most important, yes, of this job, of this position. Kerem, dairyman. Do you understand who is dairyman? О, Derek Hand еще по-другому, да, называют в некоторых источниках. Derek Hand or dairyman. And who can help? Or maybe you will do it yourself. Kerem? He guides. Yes, he guides the top. Так, top part. Так, good. What else? Shh. Kerem? Окей. Назад.
There can work on the monkey board.
Yes, monkey board.
Controls lifting process.
Yes, controls lifting process and works on monkey board. Two keywords. And what is the height of Derek? 25 meters. Can you imagine how it is? Can be dangerous for him, and that is why what PPE does he wear? Harness. Yes. Harness. That's driller. Next driller. Aydos.
The driller supervises and trains the drilling crew, and he controls drilling equipment. For example, he operates a motor that lifts and the drill pipes. He controls the speed of the drill, which must not be too fast or too slow. On very modern rigs, the driller sits in a special driller chair. The chair has a joystick, controls, and displays screens like a computer game.
Like a computer game. Okay. In a fast way, yes, you have to identify keywords.
Supervise and train.
Supervises, trains,
controls drilling equipment.
Drilling equipment. Okay, it's enough. Next one, rig manager. Yes, Jan. Rig manager.
The rig manager of tool crusher is not senior person in the keyword crew. He is usually the oldest and the most experienced person too. And he makes sure the crew has all the right equipment. He is responsible for the safety and for
Paperwork. Some report, yes. Okay, and some other documents. Tool pusher, translation, tool pusher.
Senior person.
No. What is the translation? Tool pusher. Буровой?
Master.
Okay, senior person. Then. According to his age or according to his experience, he is the oldest one. And responsible for safety and for documents, yes, and for paperwork. Good. There is a task. You have to answer the question, but we will do it in a fast way. Yes? You have to identify who is here. I will read and you will just say which person or which people are usually the youngest and most junior. About. Okay, raise your hand. Who is usually the oldest and the most senior? Any other? It's tool pusher. Who needs to be strong and why? Dairyman.
Working high weights.
Okay, any other ideas? Dairyman. Rastabout. Why Rastabout? Yes, maintain clean. So you may have a break, 5 minutes, and you will come. So you may go on.
It's about do hard work.
Good. Hard work. Next. Who else will come? Will you?
Roughneck usually prepare the whole.
No, not whole. Roughnecks usually prepare drill string because they work with pipes and drill string. Okay. Next, Kiran. What fitting? Safety harness. Because you know that ferrymen, they work on the pole. Next one from this group.
The drill helps to the crew to learn.
To learn, yes. Driller helps the crew to learn. He shares his experience. The last one, Yernazar.
So rig manager repairs new equipment.
Rig manager
Makes new.
makes new equipment. Good as you. So here you may observe these pictures of drilling crew, and can you identify what is the picture? Who is he? Rustabout driller. You may say both of them. Так, next one. So this one, derrickman. In other words, derrickman. This person, tool pusher, because tool pusher, he controls and also he works with documents and reports. And this one, yes, we may mention that this person is driller or tool pusher, yes, as it is written here. Now I suggest you working and playing such kind of game. So you will choose one, but it will be at random, yes? You will say stop, and what crew member is given for you, you have to give his responsibilities, his duties, yes, or just general information about this job. Good. So let's start with this group. You will say me when to start. Okay. So for you, there is hand, yes? And one more. I will give you some minutes for preparation, yes? So should I start? A second. Roughneck. So you have to prepare information about roughneck and derrickman. Okay. Should I start? Again. another one. Roughneck. Roughneck, full pusher. It's okay. It's okay. So they will give their definition, yes, and responsibilities, and your variant. Both of them. Are you ready? Okay. It's great that you are ready. So maybe we'll give them 1 minute to think of it, yes? And then they will listen to you. Okay, so the first group. Roughneck, roughneck. Okay. 2 students here, take the floor. The second student, and give explanation. What are they in charge of? Duties, responsibilities, maybe some descriptions. Students, listen. The second group, listen to them.
This got the direct located in the top of rig, and he is responsible for lifting the system to trip in and trip out of the drill pipe.
Second is roughneck. In this picture, you can see roughneck. Roughneck is the most is like rustabout, but more skill. And roughneck is responsible for connect and disconnect drill string. It means that roughneck usually prepares the drill string.
Good of you. Thank you. Any questions? Any additions?
No.
Okay, thank you. Take your seat. So from the second group, may take the floor. Okay. Tool pusher. Yes, tool pusher and roughneck again.
Tool pusher is the most senior person in the drilling crew. He usually oldest and most experienced worker, and he controls the whole crew and the right of the equipment. He controls all
processes. Well done.
And the roughneck is as this picture. Roughneck is a person who is responsible for connect and disconnect the drill pipes. The roughneck like rustabout, but a more skilled worker and work at the drilling floor.
Drilling floor. Thank you. Good of you. Well done, students. So we continue speaking about oil rig. So you know the components, yes, of oil rig. You know who work on this rig, yes, drilling crew. And now it's a high time to speak about the processes, yes, which happen on the drilling floor. So we are going to watch the video about parts of drilling rig. So while watching the video, students, you have tasks. You have to identify true and false sentences. Is it clear? Are you ready to listen to watch the video? Ready?
Yes.
Main activities of a drilling rig are hoisting, rotating, and circulating. The rig has systems to drive these activities, plus equipment to provide power. Let's take a closer look, beginning with hoisting.
The hoisting system is used to raise and lower drill pipe and casing. The system must be capable of handling the tremendous weight of a long drill pipe string as it reaches the bottom of the well. Rig hoisting systems utilize a block and tackle configuration. The block shown ascending is called the traveling block, and the fixed block on top of the mast is called the crown block. The traveling block on this rig is integrated into the top drive. However, on rigs without a top drive, the traveling block is independent and has a hook attached for suspending loads. The crown block and traveling block are interconnected with steel rope known as drilling line. Drilling line is made in sizes ranging from 7/8 inches to 2 inches in diameter. The drilling line on this rig is 1 3/8 inches in diameter. During drilling, the drilling line is run from the supply reel up the mast to the crown block. The line is looped several times between the crown block and traveling block sheaves and is then lowered to the drawworks. An adequate working length is reeled onto the drawworks drum bridge. The supply reel end of the drilling line is then fastened to the substructure with a deadline anchor to hold that end in place. With that configuration, the traveling block will move up or down as the drilling line is reeled in or out by the drawworks. The drawworks on this rig is powered by 2 electrical motors with about 1,500 horsepower combined. The drawworks also has a powerful braking system to suspend heavy loads. The drawworks are controlled from the driller's console. On this rig, the drawworks are activated by a forward or backward movement of a joystick control. The hoisting system uses tools called elevators to grip drill pipe and casing. The elevators are attached to extendable arms on the top drive called bales. Special threaded adapters are kept on the rig to hoist drill collars and drilling tools that cannot be gripped directly by the elevators. In addition to the main hoisting system, rigs also have one or more smaller floor hoists for raising or lowering equipment between the rig floor and the ground, or for moving equipment on the floor.
Okay, so the parts, yes, of drilling rig and more information about blocks, 2 types of blocks. You know, traveling block and crown block. So one block is movable, and the second one doesn't move. So what part doesn't move? Crown block. Crown block. That is situated, that is located on the top of the derrick. Yes. So this video about lifting system. If I go to this slide, so it will show the video. That is why I went back, yes, to this slide. So there are some questions, yes, true, false questions. I would like to pay your attention. So hoisting system, it is lifting system, and draw work, it is like winch, лебедка, you know, yes. So draw work, it is a synonym of this word. So you have to identify true, false, and if you have any ideas why not, yes, why false, you may give it. So look through. 1 minute. Okay, Imka.
The hoisting system is used to rise and lower drill heights and casing. That's true.
That's true. Raise and lower, up and down we use. Hoisting system like lifting system. Good agree. Nurtleo, next.
Right.
Rick.
Rig hoisting system
size, block, and circle configuration. That's true?
That's true, yes. Block, two types of blocks. Ground block and traveling block, the second one you mentioned. Good. So, Islam, Arda.
Drilling line made in size ranging from 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter. False?
It's false. Do you remember the dimensions?
Inches.
1 inches.
7 or 8 inches. Yes, 7 or 8 inches.
1 is yes.
Not 1 inches. 7, 8 to 2 centimeters. Okay. So next one, not inches, centimeters. Yes, you know we have to convert it from inches to centimeters. This one.
The drilling line is run from the supply field to the hoisting system. False.
False. It doesn't. It doesn't. Next one. Adijan.
The braking system of the shovel works is not powerful enough to suspend heavy loads. False.
It's false. Do you understand what is suspend? Suspend. If you don't know, write down the word suspend. It means to stop. To stop. Suspend, to stop it means. Приостановить. Suspend. It isn't powerful enough to suspend heavy tools, heavy loads. That's true. That's false. You are right. And the last one, Samir?
The motors are attached to extendable arms, on the top.
Elevators. Подъемники. Attached to extendable. It's true. It's true. Yes. Bale это перекладина. Bale. Attached to extendable arms on the top drive. That is called bales. Перекладина. So, if you have any questions according to the partial drilling rig, so you may ask any questions. Hoisting system, two types of block, yes? Traveling block, ground block, which are used participation, which take participation in lifting up and lifting down the system. And one more important component of this lifting system or hoisting system is drawback. Drawback, or we call it in other words winch, liberty. That's winch. Good. So, next part, students, you are given situations, yes? So, situation for the first group and situation for the second group. And there are some tasks. So, you have to role play the situation. So, you will take the floor, yes, after your preparation. So, you may use some items of PPE or some other things like clothing, yes? And to make your situation real, like real situation. So you have the problem, contact. For the first group, before starting the shift, after that, the driller gives safety briefing to the crew. So you have to distribute the roles. So the roles are given like driller, assistant, dairyman, and motor hand, and you have to discuss the following tasks. So all tasks are different, yes? So you have preparation for this, and the time for preparation is about 5 minutes. Okay, so you may start doing the task, and for the second group, you have the situation about equipment failure, context while drilling, the process of drilling, one of the machines stopped working, yes? And you have to identify what is the reason. So roles are driller, mechanic, tool pusher. So you met more roles like roughneck, yes, maybe assistant driller, just to distribute all roles. And the task like identification of the problem and so on. So students, you may use some safety induction, for example, to your crew. So distribute the task and do this. So you have 5 minutes. You may use any PPE items. Okay.
Именно слишком пустой перед. Я много охлаждаю, из-за этого он короче. Застреваю. И потом на этапе сразу.
Okay, you have 2 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, so the first group is ready. Students, the second group, pay respect to each other. You have to listen, Samir, and all other students, you have to listen to each other. Pay respect. So, you take the phone, welcome.
Today we would like to talk about safety in oil industry. So safety, we all know that safety first in every oil industry. So and our team consists of driller, assistant, equipment, and crew. So let's start.
I'm a predicant and I work on the top of rig. And on the top, the extremely winds, and I need to have glasses to protect my ears. And my job is very dangerous because I work on the top, and also I need to have body harness to protect me to fall.
I'm a driller assistant. I work with the drill and help him, and we check the temperature and pressure gauges.
So I'm a driller. I'm control drill crew and control the drill equipment. And also I'm responsible for learn the PPE items and safety about PPE items. Before working, every workers must wear the PPE items such as this jacket, so for working, and glasses, safety glasses. And it also wears a protective hard helmet.
The drilling crew is working in any weather and any conditions. and we need personal protective equipment for defense body.
Next is Motorhand.
Motorhand, he's one of the most important people in the workplace, thanks his present and prediction. We known for his importance in workplace.
So it was an explosion situation, and it was a fire.
And safety extinguisher. Safety extinguisher is a safety device used to put out small fires.
Do you know how to use? Do you remember?
We push the handle and aim to the fire of core and
One, two,
the two
four,
steps
5 feet.
Yes.
and
Sweep.
sweep to the
From side
from
to
side.
side. From side to side. So, thank you. That is all?
Yes.
Thank you. You have given explanation, yes? These are PPE items and the main function, how to use. Second,
While drilling, one of the roughneck stopped working.
There are some problems.
Which one?
The mud pump stopped suddenly because mud is sick.
Okay, 1 second.
And drilling directly.
There was some problem. The mud pump stopped suddenly, and this guy is sick.
What? I will check it.
Okay.
Then directly say this problem to mechanic.
And what the map how you do this?
Let me check the filter. It can be broken. Broken.
And mechanic asks the solution of these problems through tool pusher.
What problem? What's the solution?
Improvisation. So,
I check the filters. The problem is must see. Keep me updated. We can stay on.
I'm the safety officer, and to prevent the situations like this, workers before each working day must check all equipment, drilling equipment, and also follow the safety procedures. So
can you name some safety procedures? So, first of all, follow instructions, and the most important, it is wearing PPE items that you do, and you can visually see how they prepare, how they should be prepared, for any work, because safety is the first priority at any production. Thank you. Take your seats. Thank you for your role play. It was spontaneous task, and that is why maybe it was rather difficult for you, to concentrate on the topic. Nevertheless, I think that you have coped with the task. You know what to say, you know the problem, and you know how to make the solution. There is one more task. It was like additional extra task. I think that we have enough time. If you do poster in 2 minutes and then you present in 3 minutes, so we will have enough time. That is why you will be given one sheet of paper. One sheet of paper is okay. So you have to write everything concerning drilling. So all associations, like mind map, associative карта, да? So everything concerning drilling, and then you have to defend as a force. You have only 2 minutes. Time is limited, 2 minutes, okay? So choose, or start doing it. Choose any topic, concerning drilling. Do you need? One minute is left. Time is up. Are you ready? Yes. So you are the first now.
There are poster at drilling. There are the holistic system, and the has a parts of the calendar system and the jobs on the this system.
There you can see jobs like tool pusher. Tool pusher is a person who are in the top of the drilling crew, and he check all works and plans them. The next is math engineer. Math engineer check and do math substance.
And driller is this. He supervises the math engineer and
Directman is stand on the monkey board and look at the lifting system, and other the mark.
Correct. So,
Еще оно
cools and cleans.
Cools and cleans by the mud.
Is cooled and cleaned by the
Mud.
right. Thank you for giving. You may stick it on the blackboard. This is like the result of. Thank you. And the second.
Okay, drilling process is separated to the offshore, onshore, and we talk about the all jobs on the platform. The offshore drilling is very technological and the hard technological. The platform is located far from the shore, and in the platform use a rotational system.
The next is pay attention to this slide. You can see the drilling, yes, the lifting system. The main components is mud, derrick, drill pipes, rotary table, and the drill bit, and the flow mat. I would like to talk about the process of mud. So mud, first process is mud pump. Go through the drill pipes, and the next go through the drill bit and clean this drill bit, and the next is this goes through the mud tank, and this process is circulation.
And the drilling system's workers, it is derrickman, roustabout, roughneck, tool pusher, driller, and drill assistant.
So, thank you. Thank you for your work. You also may tick on the blackboard. Thank you, please. So you may take your place. Thank you, students, for your active participation at the lesson. Today I see that most students were very active, and that is why you got excellent marks. I will comment, yes, your marks according to your participation. Yaroslav, excellent, 100. Islam Asanullah, 100. Ayžan, 90. Islam, 100. Nurlan, 100. Aidos, 75. Yesirjan, 75. Enkar, 90. Nurklev, 90. Samir, 100. Kirgis, 75. Ardair Nazar, 75. So your home task for the next lesson will be to prepare a presentation on different drilling crew, yes, drilling crew, and background text, retelling of background text. Now there is time for reflection. So there are some ideas, yes, what have you learned from our lesson? You may give feedback of our lesson. So just reflection. Okay,
The lesson was useful.
This lesson we get a lot of knowledgeable information about drilling, the structure of derrick and also workers and their position and their responsibilities. So,
thank you, Yaroslav. Samir?
The lesson was useful because there's a lot of information about the onshore and the offshore system, such as the hydraulic system, and the whole process and the part of the process.
Thank you. Thank you for the lesson. Thank you for participation. So you may be free.
Thank you, students.
Tamam. Çek. Hadi. Senin kim var? Cevap. Senin ne kelin var? Cevap. Yok. Sen ne?